How to delete DLS23 account. The first step is to open up DLS23 app. And now in here, you want to tap on the gear icon. Once you tap on it, your settings will open up. Now tap on Advanced Setting, which is at the bottom right corner of your screen. From here, you're going to find a danger option. Tap on that option. And here you have the option of delete profile. So you want to tap on that option if you want to delete your account. Now here it's going to ask you for confirmation. Tap on delete again. So here it's asking you, are you sure you want to delete your profile? All data and purchases will be permanently removed. If you agree to this, tap on delete. Once you do that, here it's going to give you a warning message that says your request for account deletion has been submitted and will be actioned on this given date. So you should close and remove the game from your device entirely. So here you want to go through all of this, and if you want to continue playing, if you have deleted it by mistake, you can also tap on cancel request. But other than that, this is how you can delete your DLS23 account. And that is it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.